Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to share with you guys something really cool that I've made. I call it the OSINT toolkit, which stands for Open Source Intelligence Toolkit. And basically what I have here is a list of websites that will help you find information about people or a company or a website. Now, I'm going to put all this in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves, but these are just a few useful websites that I've compiled, and I go through each one of them. So, first one is DuckDuckGo, and this is just a search engine that doesn't track you. It's really good. If you don't know about DuckDuckGo, just give a quick read on Wikipedia and find out what it's about. Bing, obviously, another Google alternative, because, you know, a lot of query results won't actually show on Google. Google's censored, everybody knows this by now, it's 2019 for God's sake. The third one, ancestry.co.uk. This is a really important feature, because when you go to ancestry.co.uk, you may not get the search engine straight away, but if you go to /search/ you can actually search records for free. companycheck.co.uk is a really good one. This will allow you to find information on a company, usually just financial stuff and who the directors are, but it's pretty useful. Next one is find sort codes. This helps you find financial information. It's been a while since I've been on this website, but if it's on the list, it's pretty useful. Third one is Whois. This is just a really comprehensive lookup. Shows you the registered business of a certain domain. Very useful. Showdown. That's an Internet of Things search engine. Showdown is really useful. It's got a lot of functionality. I could do a whole video on Showdown, so yeah. If you're in the UK, police.uk is a really good website for finding crime maps on an area. Give you a little bit of an indication of how kind of much crime goes down in certain areas of the UK. That's if you're UK based. They usually have maps based on your country. Depends on where you live though. Next, the AA, traffic news. This is just, I'm not sure why you would need this information, but it's good to cover all bases, so that's useful to know for a target. Google Maps, obviously, this is great for Street View. It's pretty much the only Street View that you need. Obviously, it is Google, so take it with a pinch of salt. 3D mapping, again, Google Earth is super useful, and the satellite view is also very good for gathering intelligence. This here is a license plate lookup for the UK. Each country I think has their own, but this is pretty comprehensive. It'll tell you a lot about a vehicle and information about it. And this one, emobiletracker.com, this one's for the UK, but this is a super amazing website, because what you can actually do on here is put a mobile number in to this engine, and it will give you a name of who's registered that. So say you're getting a prank called, you put the number in to the website, you find out their name, maybe it's one of your friends, maybe you know who it is. But anyway, that's just a useful one. Here is Ashley Madison. If you put someone's email on here, assuming that they don't use a throwaway email, you can actually check if they're registered on a website, which might give you some information. Social mention, this is a real-time search on social media. Very useful. I've used it a few times myself. Flight Radar 24, again, this is useful for finding out real-time information on planes and flights. Tiny Eye, this is your standard reverse image search. It's good for finding fake profiles. It's good for finding out information source on an image. 192, and again another UK based tool, search businesses. Whois, this is similar to our Whois here, but it's a bit more comprehensive and it's quite advanced as well. I'll check that out another time. Archive.org. This is the Wayback Machine. Well, I think they're two of the same company. I'm not sure how that works exactly. I think the Wayback Machine is a part of archive.org, but basically a website would be cached and you can check old versions of that website. It's very useful. Central Ops, it's good for domain information, technical services. Whois Tools again, more Whois Tools, and Gnome, which is also a very good website for finding linked accounts. Anyway, that's my open source intelligence tools, and yeah, I thank you guys for watching. Please check out the websites. Hopefully this will help you find more information on people. Anyway, that's it for now, and thank you guys for watching.